Amazon, a powerhouse in the e-commerce landscape, asserts its dominance with remarkable statistics. Commanding nearly 40% of the US e-commerce market, the platform efficiently processes over 2 million product orders every hour. The daily sales revenue averages a staggering $1.4 billion, contributing to an impressive total revenue of $514 billion in 2022. Boasting a global customer base of 310 million, including 90 million Amazon Prime members, the platform is the starting point for 51% of consumers in their product searches. With over 2 billion site visits monthly, Amazon stands as a digital behemoth in the online retail space. A distinguishing feature is Amazon's reliance on third-party sellers, constituting 60% of all sales in 2022. Globally, close to 2 million small and mid-sized third-party businesses thrive on Amazon, and 70% of them operate as 3P sellers. Notably, 89% of Amazon sellers achieve profitability, with 63% reaching this milestone within a year. These third-party sellers play a crucial role in Amazon's financial success, contributing 24% of the total revenue and experiencing an impressive 18% year-over-year growth in Q3 2023. In the US, third-party sellers accomplished an extraordinary feat, selling over 7,800 products per minute on Amazon in 2022. Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, emerges as the preferred selling method for 86% of sellers, showcasing the comprehensive nature of Amazon's services. Among SMB sellers, the home and kitchen category leads, with 35% actively engaged in this segment. Moreover, Amazon's Prime membership, anticipated to reach 76.6 million households in 2022, has become a cornerstone of consumer expectations. A substantial 61% of consumers have access to an Amazon Prime account, underscoring the widespread popularity of the membership program. As of 2021, Amazon's global workforce surpasses 1.461 million employees, solidifying its impact beyond the digital realm. In the advertising domain, Amazon earned a remarkable $37.7 billion last year, marking a 20% growth from 2021 to 2022. In summary, Amazon's influence and success are exemplified by its impressive statistics, solidifying its position as a juggernaut in e-commerce and beyond.